20 years. That's how long it's been since the first iPhone changed everything. And now, Apple is reportedly preparing something that could mark its biggest redesign since the iPhone X. But this time, it's not just another upgrade cycle. It's a celebration device. A 20th anniversary iPhone. And if the leaks are right, this won't look like any iPhone we've seen before. For years, Apple has refined the same formula: slightly better cameras, brighter displays, faster chips. But 2027 is shaping up to break that pattern completely. The biggest shift starts with the display. Imagine an iPhone where the screen doesn't just reach the edges, it wraps around them. Not flat, not boxy, but a continuous glass-like surface flowing across all four sides. Apple is reportedly calling this concept the liquid glass display, a design that pairs tightly with iOS's next visual language, creating a unified glass-like experience between hardware and software. To make this possible, Apple is said to be working with next-generation OLED technology that removes traditional display layers, making the phone thinner, brighter, and far more immersive in sunlight. And if that wasn't enough, Face ID could disappear from view entirely. No notch, no visible cutout. Just a near full-screen front, with only a small camera opening remaining. It would be the closest thing yet to a truly all-screen iPhone. But a radical design like this needs serious engineering behind it. And that's where the next big leap comes in. Battery technology. Leaks suggest Apple is exploring advanced silicon-based energy cells that could dramatically increase capacity without increasing size. In theory, that could mean significantly longer battery life in a device that might actually feel thinner than today's models. Then there's performance. The 20th anniversary iPhone is expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation A-series chip built on an advanced 2nm process. Faster, more efficient, and potentially paired with stacked memory architecture for improved multitasking and sustained performance. Even the camera system might be simplified but smarter. Instead of adding more lenses, Apple could focus on making fewer lenses do more. A high-resolution main sensor that handles both standard shots and zoom through advanced cropping, paired with an ultra-wide lens for versatility. Less hardware, more computational power. And the design philosophy seems consistent across everything: reduce complexity, increase capability. Materials are also part of the transformation. Titanium may evolve into improved alloys, while experimental liquid metal concepts are reportedly still in development for future devices. As for the name, Apple might skip ahead entirely. Just like it did with the iPhone X, the 20th anniversary model could break numbering tradition again, possibly becoming the iPhone 20 or something entirely new. And the price? If history is any indicator, a radical redesign like this won't come cheap. But Apple has never aimed these devices at just specs or price. They aim at moments. And this one is shaping up to be one of the biggest moments in iPhone history. A full redesign, a new identity, and a device that could define the next decade of smartphones. The only real question left is simple. When Apple finally reveals it, will it feel like the future again,